Multiple leaks of the S10 series have been on the internet. Now we know for sure that the S10 comes in three variants: the S10e or the S10 Lite, the S10 and the S10 Plus. Now in this video, let us delve into further features of the leaks that we know about. The first one is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite or the S10e. Now this phone will have a flat screen. This will be the first time that Samsung is using the flat screen for an S series. It hasn't used the flat screen for the previous few iterations of the S series. This phone will be liked by people who prefer the flat screen instead of the curved screen used by Samsung. This phone is supposed to have a 5.8-inch display with dual cameras to the rear side. It will also have a front-facing punch-hole camera. The S10 has a 6.1-inch display, whereas the S10 Plus has a 6.4-inch display. The S9 and the S9 Plus differentiated both from itself through the rear-facing camera. The S9 had a single camera, whereas the S9 Plus had a dual camera. Now this time, the things have changed. Both the S10 and the S10 Plus have triple cameras to the rear side. But both phones differentiates itself from each other through the front-facing camera. The S10 has a single punch-hole camera to the front side, whereas the S10 Plus has a dual punch-hole camera to the front. Now one of the cameras of the S10 Plus acts as an ordinary camera, whereas the other camera acts as an ultra-wide camera sensor. Now this makes sure that you can take those group selfies with your friends and families. Now if you look carefully to the back side of the phone, it does not have a fingerprint cutout. Now this suggests that the phone will have an in-display fingerprint scanner to the front. This could be the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner that is rumored to be developed by Samsung. Now there is also another image leaked online which shows someone using the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now this could be a Samsung employee using the test model of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now from the image, you can see that how much the bezels are less in this phone. Bear in mind that this phone is being used with a case, so the bezels could be actually more or less than it is actually viewed in this image. Now another leaker has also leaked the possible specs of the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now the Samsung Galaxy S10 is rumored to come with a 4000 mAh battery. Now this means that you can use the Samsung Galaxy S10 to your heart's content with enough battery backup to last an entire day. Now the same leaker has said that the Samsung Galaxy S10 will have a premium version. This version will have a 12 GB RAM and 1 TB storage setup. Now this phone will also have a ceramic back cover. This means that the phone will be priced a little bit higher than the ordinary S10 Plus. Now these are just rumors based on leaks. We do not know officially what the specs or how the Samsung Galaxy S10 series will look like. But we can officially see how they look like on February 20th. Samsung has sent out invites to an event that they will conduct on February 20th. Now what do you guys think about these leaks? Are you impressed by these leaks? Let us know through the polls above. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and click on the notification bell to get notified of our channel. This is Ashish from TechDome signing out.